Hi there, students. A ballyhoo. A ballyhoo. Okay, a ballyhoo is an uproar, loud complaining, disagreement, arguing, a clamour of voices arguing different things. So there was a huge ballyhoo over several years about Brexit. When it came to payment of the bill, there was a ballyhoo, and some people disagreed, and there were all sorts of angry people about it. There was a huge ballyhoo outside the pub last night. I don't know what it was about, but you could hear them halfway down the street. There's been a great ballyhoo in the village about the loud music that comes from this discotheque. So a ballyhoo, upset people, differing opinions, arguing, but loud and clamorous. I think usually a ballyhoo is not physical fighting. It's just a battle of words or a shouting match. To me, this word ballyhoo, it sounds like the name of an Irish town. Okay, ballyhoo can also be used to mean hype, sensational advertising, making grandiose claims about something, to advertise or publicise using sensationalism, maybe using shocking photographs. And you can even use it as a verb, although I've never heard it used as a verb, to sensationalise, to make great claims about something, to praise extravagantly. I've only ever heard it as a noun, loud words, loud noises, a lot of fuss. Yeah, so a ballyhoo, a fuss, a to-do about it, a stir, a furore, or a tumult. Yeah, there was a big ballyhoo when the announcement was made. Yeah, there was a lot of ballyhoo about it in the press. Okay, notice ballyhoo, a noun, countable or uncountable, both. As to formality, I think I'd probably give this a 4 in formality. Sounds great in an informal document. I think you could use it in a semi-formal document, but in something very formal, I might use another word. A lot of arguing, an uproar. An uproar's a good word. A loud clamour about. I think those would work quite well formally. And the question of origin, the only thing I can find about the origin is that it's probably from the US. But if you can give me an origin for it, I would certainly be most interested. Okay, so a ballyhoo, a loud uproar, a lot of complaints, complaining. It's all over the press, or people making a lot of noise about it because they're not happy. So there you go, ballyhoo. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A ballyhoo.